Good morning. It's the 21st of May. It's going to be a good day. It's already in the 80s and it's like 10:30. So we're out a little early, go for a little ride. An hour or two, 100 miles. I guess not. So, stay tuned and subscribe, and we'll see where we go. Thanks for coming along with us. There's a pretty view. We're on 322. Ooh, I made that rhyme. Yep. The green is getting greenery. Greenery? Greener.
More green?
More green? We love green. Figure we'll get out today because it's supposed to rain the next couple of days.
Of course.
Well, we got a couple good days in the riding.
Yeah.
We did go out yesterday, but I didn't bother posting anything because it's just a very, very short ride.
Take a right.
Is this a right?
Yep. Take a right.
There are cops up there, we gotta hide. Oh, can we have some dirt? This is Fuller Road. We're thinking of you, Carol.
Yeah.
Whee, look at that.
Oh, wow.
That's nice. And same thing on that side.
Wow.
Whoops. And in front of us. Hi, babe.
Hi. Yes, we are on a three-wheeler.
Yeah, a CanAm Spyder, a 2016 CanAm Spyder. We get some pictures of it at the end of our videos. So, we're enjoying the day. Oh, keep watching. We don't know where we're gonna go. Oh, by the way, we're on Fuller Road. Wherever that is. So, stay tuned. Bye! Oh, we're still recording. It didn't trigger off. Oh. All right, it's still recording. Something's wrong with the video. I'm having trouble with the GoPro again.
I think it overheats.
Maybe. Let's see if we can kill this one. I guess I gotta pull over. We gotta find a place to pull over. We gotta
Wow.
nice.
It's like,
like I said earlier, the GoPro died. I mean, it died, it just doesn't want to shut off. Here, we'll pull right here and fix it. The big brim.
Battery
Thanks. Thanks for coming along with us. I hope you enjoyed it as much as we did. So don't forget to subscribe, give us a comment. Yeah, do you have anything to say? Oh, nothing. She had nothing to say. Oh, shut right off. Uh-oh.